I am Jay Bretz. I've been doing this for 33 years with Excel Roofing. Today with me is Octavian Avila. Did I get that name right?
You nailed it, Jay. Yes, sir.
All right. Octavian, I've known you for a long time. You were with the attic ventilation company for 5 years or so.
Yep, exactly.
You've been with Owens Corning going on a decade now, I think.
Yeah, time flies, Jay. Yes, sir.
And tell me about your title. What do you do with Owens Corning?
Yeah, thanks for asking, Jay. I'm the regional sales leader for the Mountain region for Owens Corning.
How many states is that?
My coverage area is pretty much the Mountain time zone, so Montana down to New Mexico.
Okay, so quite a bit of territory.
Yeah, a good amount, absolutely.
We've installed Owens Corning shingles forever. We really partnered up with you guys in 2012. That's when we became a platinum contractor, and I really appreciate this partnership that we've had.
Jay, we can't thank you enough for you being a platinum contractor. Platinum contractors are the best of the best. They're the top 1% in the entire country, and you've been there for a good long while. Even further accolades to that is you actually have been part of the Platinum Advisory Board that helps give us direct information and feedback on the market and what we should be doing to be a better manufacturer for you and the homeowner. So thank you very much for being a platinum with us.
Absolutely, and I'll tell you this, and I'll tell everybody watching, I view it as a two-way street. We want to do the best job possible for our customers, but we want to also use the best shingles possible and the best materials. And that's where you guys have come in, because Owens Corning, I believe, has one of the best shingles on the market, especially for multifamily as well as residential homes. Not only do I think they make the best shingle, but the way that you back the company up. So really like that a lot. Okay, Octavian, if you were at a cocktail party and you were just talking to somebody and you told them you're in the roofing business and they needed a new roof and they said, tell me three things that I need to know before I'm going to spend this $15,000 to $20,000 on a roof, what would you tell them?
That's a great question because I get asked that often.
I do too.
Number one, I'd make sure that you have the rating. You have that hail resistance in the class 4. So make sure that's in there.
The hail rating?
I would also make sure it's a full system. And what I mean by full system is all the components, all the different pieces that go into a roof, because there's more than most people think. That makes sure that it's as waterproof as possible, and then it's also going to stand up to the elements as much as possible. And third, most people don't touch this at all, is the ventilation part of it. That thing needs to breathe in order to be functional. A lot of times folks are like, well, the more waterproof it is, the better. That's not always the case. It has to breathe because of the condensation you have in the room. So those are the three things. Class level, also full system, and then lastly, ventilation.
That is such good information he just gave. I can tell you, after having Excel Roofing for 33 years, attic ventilation is the #1 thing that I see done wrong most of the time. So make sure that you choose the right shingle, the Owens Corning, one that's hail rated. You do that whole system and that attic ventilation.
Exactly, Jay. That'll make the best roof possible.
Well, Octavian, I really want to thank you for coming in today and talking about Owens Corning and Excel Roofing, that we appreciate being a partner with you in this industry. And any closing thoughts for consumers when they're choosing a contractor or a roofing product?
When you choose a contractor, it's very easy to find. Look for the Platinum badge. Beyond that, look for Owens Corning shingles with a Class 4 rating.
So I'm going to tell you from an Excel Roofing standpoint, we're going to offer you Owens Corning shingles, and I'm going to tell you, never pay a cent until you're content. Don't sign a contract with cancellation fees. Give us a call. You won't be sorry. Thanks for watching.